Hello, this is Valerie at My Scrap Chick. Today I'm going to be putting together the Mom word card. This is a 3-page card that spells out the word Mom. And we're also going to be putting one together that spells out Mum. And so this is pages where you can add thoughts, sentiments, special memories, things you love about your mom. And you can even add photos. And then we will be including an envelope that this will hold the card when it's finished. And so I'm going to get started putting together all the layers. And so this is the front layer. And on each one of these, you're going to find score lines right about here. And so we're going to fold that back and forth. And then this, on the front, there's going to be this layer of flowers, little posies. And so we'll put the green backing on first. And that's going to line up right along the edge there. And then when you fold it, it stays over on this side here. And so then the next thing I'm going to do is add the leaf colors. And this is a darker green, and then I'm using a brighter green on a few spots where I'm going to add one here. And I'm going to use my tweezers for these smaller parts. And we'll add a small lighter green leaf right up here. And then a third one up at the top. Let's see. Maybe I'll go this way. I think I'll go this way. Okay, and now we have 3 flowers that are going to go along the side. So I'll put the centers on first. Go. Getting my glue all over. And then I'm going to add the flowers starting at the top. So the small one's going to go first. And we'll just line it up so it matches along the edges there. Same with this one. And on this one, you may have to turn the flower a few times to make sure you get it lined up, because you can see that the petals aren't the same on each one. And so you may have to check that before you put it down to make sure you're getting it on the right direction. There we go. Okay, and now we'll add the letters. And first I'm going to add the white backing. And on the white backing, that's going to line up right along the top and bottom edges of the card. And over on the sides here. And we'll add the top layer. Okay, so we have the first page done. Now we'll move on to the U for Mum. And these last two pages go real quick. We'll do the white backing first. And again, I'm going to be lining it up along the top, along the sides, and then at the top layer. And on this one, I'm going to add a small posy. And you can pretty much add that anywhere you'd like. And I think I'll add it probably right about there. You might want to put the first letter on first to see, give you an idea of, to decide where you want to place it. And I think I'm just going to put mine right here. That gives me room to put the leaves on down below. And putting this part together, this card, it's going to go together really quick. What's going to take you some time is going to be deciding what you want to put on the insides of the pages to make it a very heartfelt card. Okay, now we'll do the back page. The same thing, we'll do the white first. Line it up along the top, the bottom, and the side. And now the letter. And once again, I'm going to put these on the front or on top of this last layer so I can decide where I want to put the blossom. Yeah, and I think I'll put it right about there. And now to add the leaves. Okay, so now that we got all our pages done here, like I did on this one, I folded along the score lines. Oh, I got that over a little too far. On this one, I'm going to also fold on the score lines and on the back page. And so I'm going to start by gluing this page to the back. And I'm going to line it right up even. And then I'm going to do the same with this. line that up, make sure it's lined up along the bottom here. And there we go. That's all done. And like I said, and now the work begins to think of all the memories. Look and see if you can find some photos and special moments and encouraging thoughts to share with your mom or your mum. There you go. Thanks for watching and enjoy.